This video reviews about how to add IOCX power switch using EBF. To begin, you are required to connect the main power of the IOCX to the IP power switch. Now, you need to add the IP power switch to the EBF server. Select the new power switch option from the power switches drop-down list. You will be now on the Add New Power Switch page. Provide the name of your power switch in the power switch name field. Select Yes in the multiple power ports field. By clicking, choose Files under Power Management Scripts, upload the power management script. Provide power on command. Provide power off command. Provide power reboot command. Provide power status command. Once you are done, click on the Submit button to add the power switch to the EBF server. A confirmation message will appear on the screen, stating that the new power switch has been added. Now, click on Devices option and select the Edit Devices option from the drop-down list. Select the device from the Select Device drop-down list. Now, on the Manage Device page, under the Show Advanced Options, select the checkbox Is IOCX power switch connected? Select IOCX power switch. Give the IOCX power port number. Now, click on the Submit button. A confirmation message will appear on the screen, indicating that the device has been successfully updated. Now, go to Devices and select My Devices option from the drop-down list. Launch the console of the target device. IOCX power control button is visible on the console page. Click on the IOCX power button to turn it off. Click again on IOCX power button to turn it on.